What if I told you this entire video, the script, the art, even the voice you're hearing right now, was vibe-coded? You don't timeline edit anymore. You describe the video, and the stack builds it. Prompt, scenes, render, publish. So what's actually in the stack? One pipeline, 4 tools. Claude plans, Gemini paints, ElevenLabs speaks, Remotion renders. And each layer has a job. Script feeds images, images meet audio, audio locks to render. And publish ships it all. Layer 1. Claude builds your brief. Describe your audience and your topic, and it hands back the hook, the script, every scene, and every prompt. Layer 2. The voice. ElevenLabs reads the script with character-level timestamps, so every scene snaps to every word. Layer 3. Gemini makes the art, soft 3D icons and scene visuals straight from Claude's prompts. Background removed, onto the timeline. Layer 4. Remotion renders the cut. Scenes are React components synced to this narration, frame by frame. Export local or ship it to the cloud. And Layer 5. Publish on YouTube. Titles, description, chapters, tags, all written by Claude. Paste. Hit upload. The old way? 5 tools, 5 handoffs, weeks of work. This way, 1 stack, idea to MP4. 4 layers, 1 video. Want the full breakdown? Subscribe. The next one's already rendering.